Welcome to Review Source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best single-stage snowblowers, ranked by design, reliability, and performance. Whether you're clearing a small patio, tackling long driveways, or need a heavy-duty machine that makes quick work of deep drifts, these snowblowers offer convenience and power to keep you moving when winter hits. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. VOLTASK Cordless 10-13-inch Electric Snowblower. Starting our list is the VOLTASK Cordless Snowblower, essentially a light electric shovel designed for small jobs where you don't want to wrestle with a heavy machine. At just 9.3 pounds, it's among the lightest electric snow shovels on the market. The heart of the tool is a 24-volt motor paired with a 4.0 amp lithium-ion battery, producing enough power to toss snow up to 20 feet. With a clearing width of 13 inches and a maximum cut depth of 6.5 inches, it's perfect for porches, decks, steps, and short walkways. A directional chute plate rotates plus or minus 30 degrees, so you can control where the snow lands without twisting your wrists. The simple two-step assembly and push-button starting make it beginner-friendly, while an adjustable ergonomic handle helps reduce back strain. For safety, VOLTASK includes a dual safety switch that prevents accidental starts. Owners appreciate that despite its small size, this blower is built for harsh winters. Its battery and charger have undergone durability testing to hold up in freezing temperatures. Because it's electric, there's no gas, oil, fumes, or messy maintenance, and the brushless motor runs quietly, an advantage if you live in a neighborhood with noise restrictions or need to clear snow early in the morning. The limitations are inherent to its size. With a runtime of about 25 minutes per charge, you're limited to small jobs, and the 20-foot throwing distance won't clear huge drifts. Still, for urban dwellers or anyone who wants a lightweight, cordless tool to tackle light snow quickly, the VOLTASK offers excellent value and convenience.
Number 2. Ariens 921046 Deluxe Electric Start Snowblower. Next up is a heavy-duty machine that blurs the line between single and two-stage capability, the Ariens 921046 Deluxe. Built for serious snow removal, this blower uses a 254cc Ariens 8X 4-cycle engine paired with a 14-inch steel impeller and a 28-inch clearing width. It can hurl heavy, wet snow up to 50 feet and gobbles up drifts at a rate of up to 62 tons per hour. Impressive for a single-stage list. 16-inch directional tires offer superior traction, and the all-steel frame and dash promise long-term durability. Despite its weight, around 250 pounds, the Ariens Deluxe includes thoughtful touches, an LED headlight and an ice scraper bar to help clear down to the pavement. An interlocking handle allows one-handed operation so you can adjust the chute without stopping the machine. The downside of this power is portability. Moving or storing it requires space and strength, but the auto-turn system offsets much of the heft. If you live where snowstorms regularly dump more than a foot of snow and you need a machine that can handle deep drifts and heavy accumulations, the Ariens Deluxe is an investment that pays off in speed and reliability.
Number 3. Ego Power Plus SNT 2110 Cordless Snowblower, Peak Power. For those wanting gas-like performance without gasoline, the Ego Power Plus SNT 2110 offers impressive power in a battery-powered package. Ego's peak power technology combines the output of two 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, allowing the 21-inch blower to throw snow up to 40 feet. According to Ego specifications, the unit can clear up to a 12-car driveway with 8 inches of snow on a single charge using two 5.0 AH batteries. Construction-wise, the SNT 2110 features a weather-resistant steel and composite housing to protect the motor and batteries from moisture. The quick fold handle allows it to collapse for vertical storage in tight spaces like garages or sheds. Because the motor is brushless, there's no need for oil changes, spark plugs, or gas. Just charge the batteries and go. The main caveat is that the tool alone does not include batteries or a charger. However, for homeowners who already own Ego lawn equipment, you can use existing 56-volt batteries. The SNT 2110's combination of a wide clearing path, long throw distance, and cordless convenience make it a leading choice in the battery snowblower market.
Number 4. Toro Power Clear Single Stage Snowblower. In the fourth spot is the Toro PowerClear single-stage snowblower, a gas-powered machine known for its reliability and simplicity. Toro's 212cc 4-cycle OHV engine provides plenty of power while eliminating the hassle of mixing gas and oil. The 21-inch wide intake paired with Toro's Power Curve technology lets the rubber paddle touch the ground and pull the machine forward, throwing snow up to 35 feet. While it doesn't have the bells and whistles of larger 2-stage models, there's no electric start, LED light, or chute control from the handle. Its simplicity is its strength. Users appreciate that the engine starts reliably with a few pulls, and the machine's lighter weight makes it easy to maneuver. For homeowners with shorter driveways or who need a machine to clear walkways quickly after routine snowfalls, the Toro PowerClear provides dependable performance at an accessible price.
Number 5. Ego Power Plus SNT 2112 Cordless Snowblower with batteries and charger. Rounding out our list is the Ego Power Plus SNT 2112. Essentially the same snowblower as the SNT 2110, but packaged with everything you need to get started. While the SNT 2110 is sold as a tool only, the SNT 2112 includes two 5.0 amp-hour 56-volt batteries and a dual-port charger, making it a turnkey solution for homeowners new to Ego's ecosystem. Ego's batteries are cross-compatible with the company's lawnmowers, leaf blowers, and chainsaws, so the SNT 2112 can serve as an entry point into a larger cordless lineup. Like all Ego snowblowers, the unit is weather-resistant and covered by a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. For those who want a high-performance, battery-powered snowblower ready to work straight out of the box, the SNT 2112 is a smart choice. Conclusion. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best single-stage snowblowers. From the lightweight convenience of the VOLTASK to the industrial strength of the Ariens Deluxe, the cordless innovation of the Ego SNT 2110, the dependable simplicity of the Toro PowerClear, and the all-in-one package of the Ego SNT 2112, there's a snowblower for every home and every snowfall. When choosing the right machine, think about your typical snow depths and driveway size. For small patios and light dustings, a compact cordless shovel like the VOLTASK may be ideal. Homeowners facing large drifts will appreciate the power and durability of the Ariens Deluxe. If you want to ditch gas entirely, Ego's peak power blowers deliver impressive performance from rechargeable batteries, and the SNT 2112 kit ensures that you're ready to go right away. Like all Ego snowblowers, the unit is weather-resistant and covered by a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. For those who want a high-performance, battery-powered snowblower ready to work straight out of the box, the SNT 2112 is a smart choice. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gear reviews. And let me know in the comments which snowblower you trust most to handle your winter storms. Thanks for watching, and stay warm out there.